In this video, you will learn how to pronounce different vocabulary words. Consider means deemed to be. Example: at the moment, artemisinin-based therapies are considered the best treatment, but cost about $10 per dose, far too much for impoverished communities. Minute means infinitely or immeasurably small. Example: the minute stain on the document was not visible to the naked eye.
Accord.
Means concurrence of opinion. Example: the committee worked in accord on the bill, and it eventually passed.
Évident.
Means
Clearly revealed to the mind or the senses or judgment.
example: that confidence was certainly evident in the way Smith handled the winning play with 14 seconds left on the clock. Practice means
A customary way of operation or behavior.
example: he directed and acted in plays every season and became known for exploring Elizabethan theater practices. Intend means
Have in mind as a purpose.
example: lipstick, as a product intended for topical use with limited absorption, is ingested only in very small quantities, the agency said on its website. Concern means
Something that interests you because it is important.
example: the scandal broke out in October after former chief executive Michael Woodford claimed he was fired for raising concerns about the company's accounting practices. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my all videos to learn more vocabulary words.